today is International Coastal Cleanup Day, and it was a big initiative to get as many people as we could to come and be a part of a cleanup. I mean, we do a lot of cleanups on our own, but obviously the many hands make light work. And today I think we collected about 500 bags, and that was because of all the people that came. We had businesses here, we had schools like Amanzimtoti Primary School, Kingsway High School, we had Durban South Toyota, Pam Golding, Blue Security. We had a lot of people. It was overwhelming.
Our aim is to try and educate people, to try and stop plastic pollution and find ways to stop rivers polluting the ocean.
And it was just such an awesome community vibe, just having everybody involved. And it just also showed us, you know, that everybody will get together and we can do so much. Just want to, you know, change the world, make a difference.
Good morning, I'm Andrew Manning. I'm down here at the Toti Lagoon this morning. We're the first Amanzimtoti Scouts and the first Mbongintwini Scouts have been doing a cleanup as part of the Coastal Cleanup campaign. And it's just to educate children about the significance of litter. Litter is everybody's problem, and if everybody just does something, then we can clean up our community. So thanks to everyone involved.
Good morning everybody on this Coastal Cleanup Day. My name is Craig Shamia. I'm the chairman of the Amanzimtoti Sports Centre, and today we decided to clean up Ilanda Wilds. The area we are, if you look behind me, you will see there's no dumping signs, and on my truck is what we found in here. So we as the community of Toti and the sporting community on the whole have sort of adopted the spot, but we need all the help we can get. We are sort of passionate about this area and we want to make it what it used to be and make it better. Thank you very much.
We just want to thank everybody that made an effort today. We really appreciate it. Every little bit helps. Thank you to everybody.
Thank you very much.